Hey guys, today I'm here with the new trail light from Xprite. You have three different options when it comes to the installation of this. It's going to fit right here, and you can either feed it directly into an interior light where you have a sort of welcome light situation where you open it up and the light will come on immediately and illuminate the floor of the base and the step here. And you can either do that, or you can hook it up to a switch in the front dashboard. So all you have to do is click on or off, and then you can activate it or deactivate it as you need it. That, or you could kind of hook it up to any sort of wiring system in your vehicle. For example, you can hook it up to the reverse lighting. So anytime you're going in reverse, the people that are behind you are going to be able to see the light coming this way. So before you get started, you're going to want to make sure that you have a set of replacement rivets for here, because when removing it, you're going to have to drill through and you will end up ruining these. So you have to have a replacement set before you get started. Next, you can remove the clips down here and use a 10mm socket wrench to remove these here, or you can use a drill. And then you have screws on the bottom here to remove with a regular Phillips screwdriver. Take a shop towel and make sure to clean this area to ensure that the sticky tape on the inside of the product has a smooth surface to land on. If you want to install the wire, first thing you want to do is grab a pry tool and insert it into the side of the vent cover here. Pull that open just enough to feed that wire through and gently work it through. If the hole provided isn't big enough, you can use a drill with a sander bit on the tip, and you can create a small half hole that you can feed the wire through that. And that should come through there. So first thing you're going to want to do is clean off the edges with this here. This is going to help increase the amount of stick that you get from the sticky tape on the product. You can remove the tape cover, and then you can take the wire here and just put it right on the divot in that section, and then you can come here, feed the wire through a bit more until you are right at the edge, and bring it down and seal it. So next you take the wire organizers that come with the package. You place the wires through these spaces here, through these little flaps, and then you're going to want to put one side of the double-sided tape on before you get started. Once you've got everything else in order, you can just remove the bottom and then apply it to a flat surface. So for your ground wire, you're going to want to lift up a one of the bolts just high enough for this hook to fit through here, and then you can tighten it back down, and that'll be your ground for safety. And it should be snug enough that if you tug on it, it won't come out. Okay, so now you're going to remove this cover that covers up a hole in the firewall. So just get a pry tool in there and remove it so that you can get in, and then you're going to take a wire and plug that through the hole. So just feed it through down into that hole. So you feed the wire through down on that firewall hole down in here, and then you're going to take the ambient light here, and you can unplug it. There. So once you find the plug and unplug it, you take the yellow wire, you find the yellow wire in there after you peel back the tape on the outside, and then you take the clip that comes on the red wire and clip it onto the yellow wire in this collection. Then you can plug the other half back in, and you will have connected the trail light onto the basic light. So plug that back in to your ambient light and just put that cap right back on.